Hey guys, how are you doing? After the latest iOS 18.4 software update, some users have reported that their iPhone battery health started to drop a little bit faster. Like before the update, it was 100% or 95%, and after the 18.4 latest update, battery health starts to reduce. For 3 to 5 days, they started to see 1 or 2% reduce, and it's keep on reducing further. The very important thing, as mentioned in our earlier, a while ago, I have published a video about the battery health and how to maintain them. I leave those videos link in the description and in the first comment. If you like to check it out, if you're a new iPhone or iPad user, you can have a look at that. That will help you to maintain the iPhone battery health. So when it comes to the sudden reduce of iPhone battery health after the latest iOS 18.4 update, make sure that it is kind of a refresh that happened after the latest update, because if there are any bugs, as it is a software level measurement, if there are any bugs that resulted in the battery health stuck at certain percentage for a long time for the past few months, and after the update you might be getting it refreshed and seeing the latest percentage updated on your battery health settings. The cycle count is not the unit of measurement. It will not help you to measure the battery health accurately. The only thing that can help you is check the first use. From the month of the first use, you can calculate the battery health. On an average, 1% a month reduce is normal, and some months you won't see that reduce, and overall it will give you 2 to 2.5 years maximum time to reach that 80% level. After that, we will visit the Apple service center to change the battery, so that again we will be able to get the peak performance on our iPhone for the next couple of years. So the 2.5 years is the mark here. You need to make sure that the 80% reaches at that time. Meanwhile, the charging practice I have suggested with the video that I have provided in the description in the first comment will help you to maintain the battery health. It will not freeze your battery health, but you will see the gradual reduce. If the usage of your iPhone is very normal and you are still seeing a fast drop in battery health, then those tips will definitely be helpful to you. For me, you can see it is 9 months usage and I have just 1% reduced, and I have consumed like 192 cycle count. So in the upcoming months, I will see 2 or 3% fast drop, even though I follow the charging practice. But overall, it helps to, kind of maintain the battery health. So this is the reason why your iPhone battery health reduced after iOS 18.4 update. Don't worry about the battery health. And if you are new to iPhone, you have just got your iPhone and you're seeing the battery health suddenly dropped a couple of percentage or 3%, measure it like 5 to 6 months once, and within 1 year warranty period, if the battery health drops faster, you can have a check at Apple service center to make sure that there is no defect on your iPhone. So that will help to understand how the battery health works, and iOS 18.4 alone not the reason for sudden battery health reduce on your iPhone. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day.